Bird Road Rage. It is the year 2020, and Adriana and Issa have discovered that their friend Axel has been infected with the avian flu. While rushing him to the doctor, he goes through a full transformation and becomes a wild bird, attacking anything that moves. Adriana and Issa must capture him and give him the antidote before his transformation is irreversible.
Go to your work. Like 5 o'clock.
Guys, it's really hot. I can't. I'm not feeling well.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
No, it's just, I also feel something in my stomach.
It's just really hot out. Are you okay?
No,
You want water?
No, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Are you okay, Axel? Is that a feather?
We're gonna take you to the doctor, okay? You're gonna be fine.
I still don't understand why he coughed up a feather.
Adriana and Issa set aside their fear and rushed to drive Axel to the doctor, unsure of what was happening to their friend, until Adriana got a notification.
Issa, I just checked Twitter. People are turning into birds.
What do you mean, like the zombie
There's been an
apocalypse?
avian flu outbreak everywhere.
Is Axel gonna be okay? We have to take him to the doctor.
Now.
Meanwhile, Miranda, a scientist, is working on an antidote for the avian flu, but makes an unexpected discovery.
The phenomena with the avian flu makes me uneasy. This could mean nobody ever believed me. I said it would happen. I became infected with the avian flu. I knew I would be running out of time. I had to hurry to make the antidote.
Across town, Axel was exhibiting more and more symptoms of the avian flu until the incident occurred.
Oh. Oh my god! Oh my god, Axel!
What is this? What is this?
Wait,
he's
what's
shaking.
going on?
What's wrong with him? I think he's becoming a bird.
Go.
You may be thinking, what's happening? Well, the avian flu has caused Axel to completely transform into a bird. Observe as he attacks.
Wait! Oh my god! Okay, I don't think he can see us here.
Birds have bad vision, right?
I hope so.
Observe as Axel stalks his prey from behind the plant and prepares to attack. Axel chases them. He sees his reflection in the fountain and is overcome with emotion.
Okay, I think we outran him.
I think we're safe here.
We have to come up with a plan to get Axel.
Can we just come up behind him with the towel?
Yes, but we need to make sure that we tie him up so that we can bring him back to the doctors. We
Okay.
need the antidote.
Okay, you ready? Let's go. I knew we had to save him, but I also knew we could die trying.
Tie him up. We need to take him to the doctor.
I feel
now.
so bad. He's our friend.
We need to do this.
Axel tied up in the back seat, they drove to the antidote.
My transformation to bird form is almost complete. It's time to take the antidote.
Wait! Don't drink it all! We need some for him! Do you have any left?
Not enough to do
Not
anything.
enough. I can make
Wait,
more.
you don't want it?
Axel decided he didn't want the antidote anymore. He'd learned to love himself, wings and all. Axel became comfortable with his new body and eventually learned how to communicate with his friends. Adriana and Issa, overcoming their initial shock, accepted Axel in his new form and taught him English. Miranda has continued studying the effect of the avian flu and has started a charity to spread awareness of the cure. The end.